So I just vibe coded a feature, and there is no way I'm going to be that person. You know, the person who drops AI slop into a PR. So before I ask my teammates to review it, I want to give it a solid once over. I'm going to use CodeRabbit, a code review assistant, to help me take a look at the code right inside of my IDE before I make my pull request. I've already signed up for a free CodeRabbit account, and the IDE extension is also free. So once I've got this installed in VS Code, I'm ready to go. I want to run a review on all the changes I've made. I can do this by pressing the Review All Changes. CodeRabbit immediately begins setting up and analyzing my changes, and I'm on a branch, and this is uncommitted code, so it knows exactly what to evaluate. And this will take a couple of minutes, so just let it work. Go get yourself a cup of coffee and come back and be prepared for your review. Okay, we see that the review is now completed. Let's see what CodeRabbit has for us. So notice here under the files, I'll see where CodeRabbit has made some suggestions. This one has 2 suggestions here. And if we double click this, I see that I have the CodeRabbit summary here. So it's saying that I should add error handling and clean up this fetch. And then it goes into great detail about how this could cause unhandled promise rejections. There's nothing here to clean up, or the state updates or the unmounted components. So yeah, this is pretty good. Okay, so it's telling me how I can fix it as well. So it's showing me the code before I actually apply it. It's showing me what this looks like, which is wonderful. So I can just go ahead and click this check mark, which says apply suggested changes, and voila, it's right here. This is wonderful. Okay, let's see what else. So this one says add a null check for server.link to prevent an invalid href. Okay, so this is pretty good as well. It's just making it much more robust. So I'll go ahead and accept this one as well. Listen, if you ever have a change that's really complicated to make, there is another option here that says fix with AI. So I'm in VS Code. If I had GitHub Copilot also enabled, which I do, then I can say fix with AI, and this will hand this over to Copilot to fix. But this is a pretty simple change. I can just apply it here myself. Okay, great. We have those fixed. Now let's look at what else. Okay, it says that the remote pieces entry is missing the required environment variables. Okay, so it says that this normally needs a pieces API key or something similar. So right here, it doesn't know what the environment variables are. So instead of hallucinating some, it doesn't have the check mark here. So this would be an excellent case for me to give to my coding agent if it does have access to this information. Or if this was totally wrong, then I can also just ignore it. Let me look at the documentation so that I can determine which is needed. Okay, I looked at the docs and I have confirmed that there are no additional environment variables that are needed. I do appreciate them causing me to double check this. That was actually a really good call. And so I feel safe ignoring that one. All right, let's see what else we got here. So now CodeRabbit is also talking about error handling. This seems to be a theme that I'm missing apparently, and that I should consider some race conditions as well. And so let's see, it gives me a recommended implementation. I can check it out. Okay, this is all I had, and so it makes it much more robust here, and I'm good with that. So I'll go ahead and accept that one. And then let's look at what else we have here. Okay, so this is a brand new validate method that it is suggesting here. So, okay, if the server type and is doing a switch statement with each of the cases there. Okay, this is pretty clean. So notice that it's not giving me an apply. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one over to Copilot and I'll log in. Okay, so I'm signing into GitHub. I got Copilot ready now. Great. And now I think I should be able to apply that change. Let's see. So it says I can keep, I can undo. Let's just go ahead and keep that. Great. Looks great. All right. And let's see if there's anything else it has for us. Okay. So here it is saying, let's be a little bit more secure here with our URL validation. And so it's added a little bit more to the regex. Okay, that looks good. I'll go ahead and accept that one. Okay, and then notice here that there are some nitpicks available. So just like your team members, it will also give you things that, hey, you might can consider, but it's not necessarily an error. So these are great as well. You can definitely check those out and determine if you want to accept them or not. Whew. Now that I've cleaned this up, I feel a lot better about opening a PR. Before even leaving the editor, CodeRabbit helped me catch issues and respect my teammates' time. You should definitely check it out. The CodeRabbit IDE extension is available in VS Code, Windsurf, and Cursor, and code reviews are free with any of these. Thanks so much to CodeRabbit for sponsoring this video. To get your free AI-assisted code reviews, click the link in the description. Happy vibing!